saving you. Is the heart of a woman.
It's giving Dr. Jekyll, Mr. Hyde.
Man, I heard you done got you a dime piece, man. One of the Beyonce making good types, man. Is that true, man?
I was gonna go ahead and only do the short form, but after I finished half of my head, I was like, no, the girls are gonna want to see this. The girls are going to want to see this. After being a ginger for, I think 2 years. For 2 years, I was a ginger. Baby, had I have known that I could achieve this look without dyeing my hair, like, that's weird, that's suspicious. And so I'm gonna show y'all how I did it. I actually mixed 2 colors of the Curlsmith hair makeup. I've used hair wax, like I've used pretty much all the things that the girls have put out regarding that temporary color. I've used them all, and I saw a girl use this and mix these 2 colors, and I said, put it in the cart, put it in the cart. And so here we are, and the results don't lie. What I will say about hair paint is typically it doesn't look natural. Like it doesn't give a natural color look, but hers looked so natural. And so I was like, let me try this mix. So I got my bowl, girl. I mixed my color. I did equal parts. And this is what we're working with. So I'm going to show you guys essentially the technique. You're really just doing a wash and go. So I feel like it's like, and a little goes a long way. Like I won't even be using all of this. And I still have a lot left. And if I wasn't filming that short form video, maybe I would have so much more. So yeah, we're about to get into it. Look at the color. Look how pretty that is. That goes crazy. So let's just get right into it, girl. A lot of chit-chatting, I'm just going to show y'all. So y'all know I can't do anything without a documentary. And lucky for me, the OJ documentary just came out today. It's a 5-part Netflix series, and we're locked in. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on. And the products that I'm using is this Camille Rose Guava Slip leave-in. And it's just like to add a little bit of extra moisture. And then I go in at the end with some Eco Styler. And what I love about this is it's not transferring. Like, it's really not transferring anywhere. And it's still kind of wet. Like, not even kind of wet. And I would suggest doing it on damp hair and not like wet hair. I would not do this fresh out. Fresh out. I just spray my hair with a spray bottle.
Only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman. Yeah. Only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman. Question is why I do the things I do. Answer I may never find, but I'll always choose you. Wanna give up on you, but damn I know I can't. I put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. I love that you can't stand, and I try to be strong. How much can I put your words on your life this time? And I hope your words ain't lying, cause only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman. Yeah. Oh yeah. Only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman. Yeah. It's my mind and my soul, rest of your pride. Nigga, check your ego, 'cause I left mine at the door. Just because I let it slide, drowning all of my emotions. I let you slide in this ocean. I'm in love, I can't stand, and I try to be strong. How much can I put your words on your life this time? And I hope your words ain't lying. lying, cause no, I can't take it no more. I'm about to walk out the door for mine. Only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman.
Now, the lighting in here is honestly not even doing her justice. Let's be so for real. Let's be so. A moment. Babe, I feel like I low-key feel duped. Like, I low-key feel like I've been misled, because had I have known that I could get this color, I bleached my hair. I mean, my stylist, chef's kiss, she did amazing. But the process to get my hair to color was insane. I could have gotten this. I wore my hair out last night. Everyone thinks it's real. Everyone thinks, no, because y'all don't understand. Y'all don't understand. Babe, you don't understand. Let me show you guys what my hair used to look like when I dyed it. When it was this color, this very color. If you can't tell, I'm flabbergasted. Like, I don't even know how to function right now. This was my hair before. This was my hair. What did Ludacris and Usher say? Wait, dang, that wasn't Ludacris. I done completely took that man out my mind. Same girl. How could the love of my life and my potential wife be the same girl? Because that is the same young lady looking at you. I have never, in all of my days, and throughout this video, obviously, I'm going to link all the different times that I've tried hair paint, hair wax, colored hair gels. I mean, I've tried them all. If it was on the market, I have tried it, because back in the day, I used to be really into the colored hair. I've done green, I've done blue, I've done yellow hair, like golden yellow hair. When I used to dress up for Halloween, I was Little Kim, like for a week of Halloween parties. So imagine the amount of hair wax that I went through. I tried so many different ones. None have been this natural as this Curlsmith. This combo, this mix. Now, I will say what the girls weren't talking about was the ratio, which I learned as I went. It's mostly this and then like a dab of this. But you can't only use this. I wish you could. But if you're trying to get this color, this like super natural ginger color, you can't just use this. This will come up probably a lot more orange, which the texture of it, it's still going to give natural. But the color won't get, like, to be honest, this looks almost exactly how my hair looked when I left the hair salon 2 years ago. And I had my hair dyed. No. Probably after it faded a little bit. But this looks so natural. Like, and the transfer. That's another thing we got to talk about, because I know that's going to be tea. There was I'm so dramatic. I'm just so obsessed with the look. I'm just saying stuff. There was almost no transfer, though. As far as, like, I was hugging people. I was, like, around a bunch of people last night and leaning my head on people. Clothes, I put this top on. Obviously, this is a top that had to touch my hair to put it on. There's no transfer on this top. And then I'm going to show you guys my fingers. I just touched, I didn't realize it. obviously my bottles are kind of messy. So I just got some on my hands. Like the bottle is still wet with, I should clean that up, huh? Yeah, probably. I'm trying to make sure it's all off so that I can show you guys. So this is the inside of this top. Like there's nothing on my top whatsoever, and I put this over my head. I tied my hair up last night. I didn't see any on the scarf, but I did see some on the hair ties, because when I wear my hair in a wash and go, or pretty much any style, to be honest, the way that I tie my hair up at night is silk ponytails, silk tie ponytails, and then wrap it, and just to keep my hair from like smushing. It's just a better process. And if y'all want to see that, let me know. I'll do like probably a short form video on that. I feel like it's a little bit too like straight to the point for me to do a full YouTube video on it. But yeah, it had relatively no transfer. Even, we're gonna, right? Look at my hands. Like the proof is there. Like what? We're just gonna, now look at my hands. That's better than, like my face makeup won't even do that. Like, let me see. That my face ain't even sitting like that. Curlsmith, what is in this? They need to put that in the makeup. They need to put that in the products, okay? Because wow, and I feel like I hate when I do this. Like when I look this cute, I can't stop looking at the monitor, and then I'm not looking at you, friend. And I be trying to look you in your eyes, but I be looking at me. You ever be on FaceTime and you be like, you look real good and you keep looking at yourself? But I feel like on FaceTime it's a lot less like obvious. Y'all can see that I'm not looking y'all in your eye. I'm trying to look you in your eye, friend. I'm trying to look you in your eye. But all in all, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. I'm gonna go on now and look at the other colors, because now I want to know, like, could I be blonde? Could I give you guys an ash blonde moment if I did like the yellow and the gray? Now I want to figure out the combos, because this is insane. I cannot wait to take pictures this weekend with my hair like this, because I feel like I'm gonna do it side by side and people are not gonna know. I might do a giveaway. I might go over to my Instagram. I might do a giveaway and do like guess what's what. Like if you can guess which is which, what's hair paint and what's, you know, and the real deal bleach and dyed, fried, laid to the side. I might give you some money, buy you some breakfast or something, girl. I met a man the other day and he was like, I like to trick a little. That's how I be feeling about you.
Christian is pregnant. That's what I'm saying. I get that. But in what world would Blueface really be putting it?
Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are going to try this combo, please let me know. Let me see the pictures. I know you're going to be T-babe. All the information will be in the description box below, the links to the products that I use. And then I'll also, since it wasn't like that much of a tutorial, I'll even do like more in-depth instructions, a voiceover somewhere. It'll be a short here, and then the TikToks and the Instagram reels and all of that stuff. So thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I was about to put my hair up, but I don't think I'm gonna put it up. I don't think I'm gonna put it up. Cause I know that's right and ain't never wrong. Mwah. See y'all the next one.
Man, I heard you done got you a dime piece, man. One of the Beyonce making good types, man. Is that true, man?